Can you take a picture with this one?
Yeah.
Well,
don't move, don't move.
No. Zagadnę nas, tak.
Yeah, no. Oh.
He's a canary Q-tip.
I think over there would be better.
Yeah, he's coming up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got it right, actually.
Okay, you gotta play this thing.
Great. You guys have a meeting?
There you go.
Ew.
Looks like he's whispering in your ear. You got that one?
Yeah, I think so.
Norman, we'll get you some birdseed. You don't need to eat earwax.
Let's go, honey.
No, all these are mine.
Huh?
All these are mine.
Okay, yeah. You want me to help you pick them up?
2 are mine.
Just 2? Okay.
Watch
We
out.
can leave the rest of them.
No,